I work at JML Contractors. We are a mechanical engineering company. We've been established for about 14 years. RAM tracking has evolved to meet our needs. We've stayed for 9 years because the customer service is excellent and have always offered us everything that we need. We've also recently upgraded our live dash cams. We had the SD cards before, so now we have the live ones, which are much better. So if there was ever to be an accident, we know that we have that for insurance claims, insurance purposes. So with the vehicle check, it helps keep our vans compliant, make sure that there's no bumps or anything on there, make sure that they're regularly serviced. We also use RAM Assist for tax and MOT purposes. That helps us keep us up to date. We are able to plan when the services will be due and ensure that they're all taken off accordingly so that it doesn't affect the day-to-day work. So I've had really good interaction with any of the RAM employees for the customer service. So recently we've just upgraded our dash cams, so they came out on a weekend, so it didn't interrupt any of the workflow. Yes, I would absolutely recommend RAM tracking. I believe that they cover all of our needs, and like I say, the customer service is excellent.